All right, today we're gonna be doing something that is insanely simple, but surprisingly powerful, right? I'm gonna be making a working stylus at home with just simple stuff. No electronics, no battery, nothing complicated. With just four simple stuff, which is pencil, cotton, aluminium foil, and just a little bit of water. But you know what the crazy part is? It works on every screen. First of all, we have to understand what is a stylus. So, a stylus is essentially a pen like tool which is designed to interact with touchscreens, offering more precision and control rather than just using your finger. It allows you to write, to draw, sign, and navigate on devices like tablets, laptops, and smartphones. That is a stylus. All right, so today we're gonna start with a stylus. So we're trying to make a stylus out of a pencil and a pen, right? So here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need a cotton. You can take any cotton from an earbud or anything. Um, you're gonna need a foil, a scissor, and a small knife. So what I'm gonna do here is first I'm gonna dig a hole in this pencil, just a little bit, not too deep. And second step is I want to insert this cotton into the hole. And after that, with the scissors again, cut through the foil. I mean, you can use any any foil or any cotton because this is what they use. They use it for hardly here in South Africa. But then you can use any foil. So why are we using a foil? Because a stylus, you have to transfer a current from your hand to the foil. That's what we're gonna do, and make sure that the cotton is in contact with the foil. Also, when you are either drawing on your phone or you're trying to do anything, make sure your hand is always in contact with the foil. Yeah, just like that. So next, we're gonna dip this foil into water, just a little bit, not too much, not too much. And yeah, that's the end of it. Now, let's try to test it if it works. All right. So let's first understand how the homemade stylus actually work. It's not magic, it's science. Most modern smartphones use something called capacitive touchscreen. Instead of detecting pressure like older screens, these displays sense electrical changes. Your finger is slightly conductive because your body carries tiny electrical charges. When you touch the screen, it disrupts the screen's electric field, and that's how your phone knows where you exactly touched. Now, here's where the stylus comes in, the aluminium foil. In this setup, it acts as a conductor, just like your finger. It transfers the electrical charge from your hand to the screen. The cotton tip is also important. It holds a bit of moisture. The moisture improves conductivity as well and helps create a smoother, more consistent contact with the screen. Without it, the stylus might not register properly or could or you could maybe feel scratchy. And why did we add a little bit of water? That's the key. Pure dry materials don't conduct electricity well, but slightly damp cotton allows electrical charges to pass through more easily. So, when you use this stylus, you're basically extending your finger. The electrical signal travels from your hand through the foil into the damp cotton and finally into the screen, telling your phone where you are pointing. And that is the reason why this DIY stylus actually works just like the real one. So here's our stylus. It's finished. And now, since my laptop is a touchscreen laptop, what we want to do, we want to see if it works. Dang, it works. Look at that. So everything, it works just like a finger. Always make sure that your fingers are in contact with the foil and also the foil is in contact with the cotton, right? All right, so we're gonna come here, see it's working, right? And then we select pens. This is Microsoft whiteboard, choose black. Nice one. So that's where we go, guys. This is how you can always what? Create a stylus at home.